When you're stuck in a place for a long period of time, you go blind to the things that surround you, because you no longer pay attention to anything. This is why we travel, so as not to go blind.
Maybe there's hunger in my blood, screaming out loud for what I want. See me running full speed at it, shattering collide, calling post-traumatic. Now it's do or die, coming off that tiny fractions. See me running full speed at it, coming off that tiny fractions. Calling post-traumatic, tiny fractures.
But right now that we are locked in our houses, now that we are not allowed to travel, now that everything seems grey, we must remember the times when we reached the highest peak, when we jumped into the deep blue, when we thought nothing could stop us from dreaming.
Coming off that tiny fractions. See me running full speed at it, coming off that tiny fractions. Post-traumatic, tiny fractures.
When this will all be over, we must remember these grey days to be able to dive in new adventures with even more wonder and to fully enjoy the colorful days that are coming.